Hello everyone, this is question and answer program on leadership and change management. The question is on chapter 1. The direction is as usual, choose the best answer. Question 1. Which of the following best define leadership? A. The ability to control others using authority. B. The exercise of influence to help a group achieve its goals. C. The formal position of being a manager. D. The act of following order from superiors. The answer for question number 1 is B. The exercise of influencing to help a group to achieve its goal. Question number 2. What is a formal leader? A leader who lacks formal authority but influences others. B. A leader appointed based on their job position. C. A leader elected by employees. D. A leader who influences by personal skills rather than position. The answer for this question is B. A leader appointed based on their job position. Question number 3. What distinguishes leadership from authority? A. Authority involves influence while leadership is coercive. B. Leadership is about voluntary influence whereas authority relies on position. C. Authority is about motivation while leadership is about following rules. D. Leadership is strictly about power. The answer for question number 3 is B. Leadership is about voluntary influence whereas authority relies on position. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a characteristic of effective leadership? A. Ability to inspire others. B. Problem solving skill. C. Coercion and force. D. Understanding human behavior. The answer for question number 4 is C. Coercion and force. Question number 5. Leadership is an aspect of which management function? A. Planning. B. Staffing. C. Directing. D. Controlling. The answer for question number 5 is C. Directing. Question number 6. Why is leadership considered a reciprocal process? A. Leaders only influence followers. B. Leaders followers mutually influence each other. C. Leadership is about one controlling people. D. Leadership is independent of relationship. 6. The answer for 6 is B. Leaders and followers mutually influence each other. Question number 7. What is the primary role of leadership in an organization? A. Enforcing strict discipline among employees. B. Ensuring employees blindly follow commands. C. Influencing employees to willingly achieve goals. D. Creating complex rules for employees to follow. The answer for question number 7 is C. Influencing employees to willingly achieve goals. Question number 8. How does leadership differ from management? A. Leadership is focused on vision and change, while management focused on order and structure. B. Leadership is about controlling employees while management is about inspiring them. C. Leadership relies on authority while management is informal. D. Leadership focus on efficiency while management focus on emotions. The answer for question number 8 is A. Leadership is focused on visions and change while management focus on order and structure. Question number 9. Why is leadership necessary in an organization? A. Because organizations are perfectly structured. B. To maintain control over employees. C. To promote motivation, solve conflicts, and adapt to change. D. To eliminate the need for teamwork. The answer for question number 9 is C. To provide motivation, solve conflict, and adapt change. Question number 10. What is one key reason leaders are needed during external change? A. To provide employees with strict orders. B. To adapt the organization missions to environmental changes. C. To eliminate the need for innovation. D. To prevent any form of change. The answer for question number 10 is B. To adapt the organization missions to the environmental changes. Question number 11. A company is expanding rapidly and departments struggle to coordinate. What should a leader focus on? A. Motivating employees to work independently. B. Strengthening leadership to coordinate diverse units. C. Eliminate leadership position to reduce conflict. D. Encouraging employees to ignore departmental differences. The answer for this question is B. Strengthen leadership to coordinate diverse units. Question number 12. An organization is facing low employee motivation. Which leadership action would be most effective? A. Ignoring the problem and expecting results. B. Introducing a clear vision and inspiring employees. C. Reducing employee salaries to encourage competition. D. Implementing strict control and penalties. Question number 12. Answer B. Introducing a clear vision and inspiring employees. Question number 13. A manager forces employees to work without feedback or input. What type of leadership is this? A. Transformational leadership. B. Participative leadership. C. Autocratic leadership. D. Laissez-faire leadership. The answer for this question is C. Autocratic leadership. Question number 14. A leader encourages employees to contribute ideas and participate in decisions. What leadership approach is this? A. Autocratic. B. Democratic. C. Bureaucratic. D. Transactional. The answer for this question is B. Democratic. Question number 15. If a leader lacks the ability to inspire others, what consequences might occur? A. Employees will be highly motivated. B. Employees may struggle to stay engaged and committed. C. Leaders will be seen as charismatic. D. The organization will experience rapid innovation. The answer for this question is B. Employees may struggle to stay engaged and committed. Question number 16. A leader notices some employees are disengaged. What should they analyze first? A. The employee's personal life. B. The company's leadership approach and motivation strategies. C. The number of breaks employees take. D. Whether employees follow strict order. The answer for question number 16 is B. The company's leadership approach and motivation strategy. Question number 17. Which situation would require leadership to solve internal conflict? A. Employees working smoothly together. B. Departments struggle to collaborate. C. A company without any structural issue. D. A company with no need for leaders. Which situation would require leadership to solve internal conflict? Question number 17. The answer is B. Departmental struggle to collaborate. Question number 18. How can leadership increase innovation in a company? A. By discouraging creativity and enforcing routine work. B. By providing a vision that inspires employees to explore new ideas. C. By eliminating all structured process. D. By reducing communication between teams. The answer for this question is B. By providing a vision that inspires employees to explore new ideas. Question number 19. A leader is deciding between two strategies to motivate employees. What should they consider? A. The personal preference of the leader. B. The alignment of strategies with employees' needs and goals. C. The easiest option that requires the least effort. D. The most traditional approach regardless of effectiveness. The answer for question 19 is B. The alignment of strategies with employees' needs and goals. Question number 20. A company wanted to develop leadership training for managers. What elements should be included? A. Only theoretical concepts from textbooks. B. A combination of leadership theories, real-world case studies, and interactive exercises. C. No formal training. Managers should learn on job. D. Focus only on administrative tasks, not leadership skills. The answer for this question is B. A combination of leadership theories, real-world case studies, and interactive exercises. Okay, this is all about this chapter. Thank you for attending this program.